We are 12 days away from 2026 and I figured why don't we just reset the entire house together, and today I'm going to start off with the fridge just so we go into the new year a little stress-free. Toss everything that's expired. Going in with my Koala Eco. This is a multi-purpose spray and this smells so fresh, so clean. Let's put all the shelves back to where they belong, or at least where I think they belong. Wow, the fridge looks so much better and I'm so happy that I did that. I encourage you to do the same. Thanks for watching.